Hi everyone, today is a to-do list video. It's going to be fairly quick, I think. We'll see, Elohim willing. We are changing the oil and doing a little servicing on the excavator. And yesterday I tried to make the video, and not only was it extremely windy, but I took a tarp today. It's windy today too, but I took a tarp and I kind of blocked the whole thing, so it makes it a little easier. It protects us from the wind a little bit. But then also I didn't really have time yesterday to finish it. So today I'm making the video. So I got the oil change to do, fill up with hydraulic fluid, get this machine moved, move the tarps, clean them, kind of even out the ground because we got to get it ready to fence it in. And then we also, if I have time, I'll be painting probably cattle gates today, at least sanding them down and, painted a couple. Elohim willing, if the Father wills that everything gets completed today, it will be. So let's get to it. All right, thanks for watching. All right, I want to thank everyone for watching. May the Father bless you and your families, in so many beautiful ways. Thanks.